Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare Workers with Webflow step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have a Cloudflare account and a Webflow project ready. Log into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the domain you want to work with from your list of domains. On the left sidebar, click on Workers. You will be taken to the Workers dashboard. Click on the Create a Service button. Enter a unique name for your worker service. After naming your service, click Create Worker. In the code editor that appears, you will see a default script. You can modify this code according to your project's needs. Once your code is ready, click on the Save and Deploy button. After deployment, Cloudflare provides a unique URL for your worker. Copy this URL as you will need it for your Webflow project. Now, open your Webflow project in a new tab. Go to the project settings in Webflow. Navigate to the Hosting tab. Scroll down to the Custom Domains section. Add your Cloudflare Worker URL as a redirect. Ensure that it correctly points to the intended route in your Webflow project. Save the changes in Webflow. Return to your Cloudflare Workers dashboard. Click Settings for your worker service. Ensure that the route is correctly configured to respond to requests. You can set it to match the routes from your Webflow site. Test the worker URL in your browser to confirm it works. If everything is set up correctly, your Webflow site will now be enhanced by Cloudflare Workers functionality. Monitor performance and make adjustments as needed. You are now successfully using Cloudflare Workers with your Webflow site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.